Hello students, today we are going to improve your learning of the lesson seed dispersal. Look at the first question children. What happens if seeds are not dispersed? See, we find seeds in the fruits. They has to be dispersed for growing of new plants. Yes, we'll explain it. Seed dispersal is essential for survival of plants. Plants have special mechanisms for seed dispersal. If the seeds are not dispersed, there will be no new plants. If the seeds are not dispersed, all the seeds fall at one place only and they compete among themselves for water and minerals at one place. As a result, plants will not grow well and they may not give good yield of fruits. Yes, in this manner, the seed dispersal is necessary. Next, second question. How are the seeds dispersed in calotropis? See, white hairy balls or parachute-like structures we see moving in air are the seeds of calotropis plant. These seeds have light and hairy structure at one end. They travel with wind and settle at a suitable place to germinate. Seeds that are dispersed through air are usually light and are either very small or very light with wings on them or some hairy structures on them. The seeds get adapted in such a way that they get carried away easily by wind. Some seeds float in air, some propel to travel short distances. Next, move on to third question. Why do most of the coconut trees grow along the sea shores? The outer covering of the coconut has fibrous material around it with air spaces in it. Hence, the entire coconut fruit floats on water and moves from one place to another. When it reaches the ground, it germinates. Hence, we find coconut trees growing near seashores. Next, fourth question. Do you find any relationship between the weight of the seeds and the dispersal mechanism? Discuss with suitable examples. Yes, there is a relationship between weight of the seed and the dispersal mechanism. See, the seeds of calotropis are very light. They are hairy balls with parachute-like structures. Hence, these seeds are carried by air. Because they are light in weight, they will move by air. Some seeds which are small in size are swallowed by birds along with the fruits. Birds drop these seeds in another place and help in dispersal. Some seeds which have fibrous-like matter around them travel to distant places by water, as we have seen in the coconut plant, to produce new plants. Next, the seeds which are heavy are carried by animals to other places. For example, mango seeds are planted by humans to grow new plants. Next, fifth question. Ravali said, dispersal of seed is very important in nature. Is she correct? Why do you support her? Dispersal of seeds is very important in nature to produce new plants or trees. Trees are the only food producers on the earth. So we get food from the plants, as we have studied in our class 6. Yes, they are the producers. All the living beings depend either directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Hence, by the dispersal of seeds, new plants are produced to meet the food needs of all animals. Yes, next question. Sixth one. Collect the information in the following table and discuss the reasons. Yes, Here they have given agents of dispersal. We have to write the name of the seed or plant. By wind, wind is the agents for dispersal of the seed in plants like calotropis, milkweed, dandelion, maple. And by water, it is coconut and lotus. By animal, nuts, wild berries, etc. By birds, neem, paddy, maize, etc. By man, mango, sapota, vegetables, etc. By other means, they are balsam and kanakamaram plant. So, by this agents of seed dispersal, these are the plants which give rise to new plants. Next question. Seventh one. Some seeds like soap nuts have very hard shell. Why it is so? Seeds of soap nuts have very hard shell. The inside part of the soap nut is very delicate. It needs protection before it germinates. Hence the shell of the soap nut is very hard to break. Next question. Nowadays people want to eat sprouts. List out the reasons why they take sprouts as food. See, sprouts contain fibers and vitamins. Sprouts are easily digestible. They have fiber and hence they clear the intestines and cause free motion. Sprouts are nothing but seeds in activation stage. Hence they are rich in many minerals, proteins, vitamins and fibers. Eating sprouts as breakfast causes less weight on stomach. We feel light on our stomach and can be active throughout the day. Hence people prefer to eat sprouts. Last, ninth question. Collect some seeds, sow them in a particular place in your school garden. Observe how many days each type of seed takes to germinate. Tabulate your observation. This is an activity you have to do on your own. Next one is also an activity. Last question. Collect toddy palm seeds and make a model. Display them in your school. This is also activity. You can prepare the model, any model with the toddy palm seeds. Okay, children?